Deep Red contains pure henna and red kaolinite clay. Once we have the package open, we will take out the inner packet of powder. We will then cut open the packet and pour the powder into a bowl. Be sure to use a non-metallic bowl. We used glass. Pour powder into the bowl, and then depending on your hair length, you may need the entire packet. After the powder has been poured, go ahead and add in your liquid. We used black brewed coffee, but you can use distilled water or tea. Now you will need to stir the henna. If more liquid is needed, go ahead and add it. Add in a little liquid at a time. Stir immediately after. You will want to add in enough liquid so that eventually the henna will have a paste consistency. Make sure to stir after each addition of the liquid. The henna cannot have lumps. As you can see here, the henna needs more stirring and a little bit more liquid. You will need to keep stirring the henna until it's smooth and no longer clumpy. The more lumps there are, the harder the henna is to apply to the hair. If it's not smooth, it may result in poor color adherence to the hair follicles. The stirring process is long and arduous, but absolutely essential. The consistency we're looking for is similar to cake or pancake batter. So be patient and keep stirring until there are no more lumps. So you see, we are still stirring and stirring, trying to get it as clump-free as possible. Believe it or not, we are in the final stretch of stirring. If you look closely, you can see that the lumps are slowly going away. That is exactly what we are going for, to be as smooth as possible. When you are finished, your henna should still be somewhat thick. But there should absolutely still be a very smooth texture. Truthfully, if there are too many clumps, the henna will not be able to properly saturate the hair strands. So be sure to stir as much as possible. We really are getting to the final stretch. The stirring is almost done. Just a little bit more of stirring. Keep stirring the henna. It's almost the right consistency. Once you have finished stirring, the henna should look something like this. Cover and let the henna complete the 8 to 10 hour dye release process. After that 8 to 10 hour time has passed, go ahead and give it a stir again. You need to stir it due to the henna oxidizing during that 8 to 10 hour gap. Your henna is now ready to be applied. Section your hair and apply, then cover your hair with a shower cap. Leave on for 3 hours, then rinse using cool water. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.